So they've already broken a record. They're stunning. They're just stunning. And in fact, coupled with what she's wearing tonight.
Wow. Goodness. I'm a little stumped actually. I don't know what to comment on first. For one, thank you. I didn't really know what your reaction to my film was in Barfi, so. I saved it for this platform. You did. I always find it really rewarding when people say they've cried watching the film. I was like, yeah, score. So I'm really happy. I'm more than happy to be a part of this event. I think it's beautiful. I've actually asked you backstage, I was like, what is it that you're going to do next? I mean, there's so much that Karan's gotten into. And direction, production, what else? Like designing, and I think it's beautiful what he's done.
He just said he was trying to take my job, remember?
Oh, really?
The radio bit, yes.
Oh, I think, yeah.
And now Malishka will ask you to swirl as well.
That will happen.
Swirl.
So
What is swirling? I've heard twirling.
Yeah, this is what you do. You walk like that.
like that.
You walk like that.
Right.
You put your leg out like that. And then you take a profile, and then you show us what you have, and I
Oh,
don't.
baby, yeah.
And you walk right back and pray for peace.
The naughty Mr. Johar, he figured what we wanted to do right at the start.
Yeah.
But
Of
here's,
course he does.
here's what I must ask you before we twirl and swirl again. Can we please, Karan, actually, you must tell her. Her jewelry is really interesting. Would you like to tell us a little bit about?
Well, these are the longest earrings you'll find in the country. So they've already broken a record. They're stunning. They're just stunning. And in fact, coupled with what she's wearing tonight, I really believe that it's really her contribution to elegance in no better way of describing it. And it just goes so perfectly with her gown that I'm mesmerized already.
Just, you're perfect all over. So shall we do, now's the real rapid fire, Karan, where we ask.
What was this before?
The two ladies, that was only for you. Now the ladies will talk.
Oh, God.
Again, you
I'll
guys,
help.
you
I'll
guys
help.
are really scared of this rapid fire.
Well, we
What?
just thought that we wouldn't have a rapid fire.
Look at the wonderful brand you created, Karan Johar.
But you know, your rapid fire is very far from rapid, I want to tell you.
Depends on who's answering. All right, is there going to be a hamper tonight?
You definitely look like
Is there
one.
going to be a hamper?
Ladies, we must.
Yeah.
So, Karan, I would ask you to please hand over the mic to Nimrit, because
I hate letting go of the mic.
you're a man after my own heart. All right, ladies, quick rapid fire, and who knows, whoever wins might have a hamper.
Buzzer
Yes,
without
yes.
the buzzer.
Without, he's
Oh
he'll
my
manage.
God.
All right, quick question. If you had one piece of jewelry that you could wear to a party, what would that be?
A solitaire ring. Huh? A solitaire ring. Oh my God, sorry, I went really fast.
Solitaire ring. What would you like to?
I would wear ear cuffs, yeah.
I thought it's a buzz around.
It isn't. You just give us your answers and whatever Karan likes
So
at the
there's
end.
not going to be a winner? There's no hamper to be won?
Ear cuffs.
Okay. What is, celebrities are always under the radar for wearing the same clothes or jewelry. Would you repeat your jewelry?
Yeah, why not?
What is the one piece of jewelry that you've worn again and again that you love? That you love. Say that again.
I have, yeah.
I said she's worked down south, so Mangal Sutra for sure.
Definitely. I don't know how many times I've been married down south.
Nimrit, what about you?
I don't know if you answered your question.
didn't actually.
He answered it for her. Because he...
That's a funny answer. I'd stick with that.
Yeah, I think I've worn my mum's bangle a lot. Yeah, she has a gold bangle that I've worn a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the most special piece of jewelry you have ever received or given? Make it good.
Gosh, it hasn't happened yet. Guys.
Good platform to say it.
Hint.
Yes. Have you been luckier?
Solitaire ring. Really pretty one.
Nimrit, we've got to move up on this one.
Yeah,
She's
yeah,
already
I
got her
should,
solitaire
yeah.
ring.
Obsessed with solitaires. Sorry. I love
All right. And what do you think about Kejo for the Gehna collection, for the Kejo for Gehna collection?
Well, can't you see? Like, pretty much says a lot without really saying anything.
Yes.
I think it's beautiful. I love that he's gotten into this. I love the stuff that he's designed. Even the little elephant. Isn't that what you've designed as well? That's so cute. It's got a really tiny tail.
So there's something for the men and the women. Would you
Yeah.
like to tell us what you think of Kejo's collection?
I love it because I think it's got your trademark style. It's elegant. It's easy to wear. I love that. It's not heavy on the ears. It's not tearing your ear piercing
Yes,
apart,
yeah.
which is really lovely. And it makes you look and feel as precious as anything I've worn.
Yeah.
As
See, that was
Yeah.
such a lovely thing to say. Karan, who wins the hamper?
You said there were no.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think, finally, one last question. What do you think he should gift me this Christmas? On that note, ladies and gentlemen, Karan Johar for Gehna. Give him a big hand, please. Thank you very much, Ilyana and Nimrit. I would like you to come up for a photo op.
First swirl.
Also a twirl and a swirl. Shall we do that? All of us. Come on.
With the mic, without
Yes, you as well.
बहुत खुश था इस एक्सपीरियंस के साथ। जब मैंने ये तय किया कि मैं ये करने वाला हूँ तो मैं बहुत खुश था कि ये गहना का जो परिवार मेरे पास आया, मुझे ऑफ़र किया ये कि मैं ये एक लाइन ऑफ ज्वेलरी बनाऊँ उनके लिए। तो आई वाज वेरी वेरी ऑनर्ड, क्योंकि मैं जानता हूँ कि उनकी लेगेसी बहुत ही बड़ी है। 28 साल से वो इस जोन में है। तो मैंने सोचा कि ये मेरा नेक्स्ट स्टेप ज़रूर होना चाहिए, क्योंकि मैंने एक वुमेंस लाइन ऑलरेडी डिज़ाइन कर लिया है। तो द नेक्स्ट स्टेप वुड बी ज्वेलरी। तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि उन्होंने मुझे चुना, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद द टू ब्यूटीज़ दैट आर ऑन माई लेफ्ट एंड राइट, इलियाना एंड निमृत। दोनों के साथ मेरी एक फ्रेटर्निटी एसोसिएशन है। दोनों बहुत ही एलिगेंट, बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल, खूबसूरत, टैलेंटेड लड़कियाँ हैं। तो आज उन्होंने इस मंच को यहाँ इस मंच पे आके मेरा सहारा दिया, मुझे मेरी इज़्ज़त अफजाई बढ़ाई। तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ।
दो ब्यूटीफुल लेडी हैं, बट ज्वेलरी मतलब दिखाई नहीं दे रही।
इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि लोग पूरी दुकान पहन के आ जाए ना। आजकल का जो स्टाइलिंग है, जो ट्रेंड है, इट सेज लिटिल इज अ लॉट। तो आजकल जो दुकान पहन के लोग बाहर आ जाते हैं, तो उसके मैं बहुत अगेंस्ट हूँ। आई थिंक वेस्टर्न स्टाइलिंग मिनिमल होना चाहिए। और तो इफ़ यू जस्ट सी कि बहुत ही एलिगेंट गाउन पहना है इलियाना ने, एंड जस्ट एडिंग टू दैट आर दीज ब्यूटीफुल लॉन्ग ईयरिंग्स। एंड निमृत इज केप्ट इट, उनकी जो बहुत गाउन है, जो बहुत हर ओन ब्यूटी एंड हर पॉइज इज हर ज्वेलरी, एंड कपल टू दैट आर हर ब्यूटीफुल ईयर cuffs.
Karan, अब और क्या, like you know, you have done everything I think the industry has given you. I think jewelry भी हो गई, fashion. Now what next for you?
अब पता नहीं, आई थिंक मैं बस आई एम 42 years old, तो आई थिंक मेरे 40 और साल है काम के। तो बहुत सारी फिल्में बनानी है। ये तो सब जो है ये मेरी पर्सनालिटी का हिस्सा है, और मेरी जो कोर प्रोफेशन है फिल्म मेकिंग, उसका एक नतीजा है दैट आई गेट टू होस्ट अ टॉक शो, जज अ रियलिटी शो, डिज़ाइन अ ज्वेलरी लाइन और अ क्लोथ्स अपैरल लाइन। दीज आर रियली, इट्स वंडरफुल दैट जो सारी मेरी हॉबीज़ हैं वो अभी एक प्रोफेशन सा बन चुका है मेरे लिए। तो आई एम वेरी ऑनर्ड दैट आई एम गिवन द प्लेटफॉर्म टू डू ऑल दीज सेवरल things.
Nimrit, you're looking absolutely stunning in this off-shoulder gown. आपको हम जब भी हम देखते हैं, you know, एक बहुत ही subtle अवतार में associate करते हैं, but today you're looking absolutely stunning. क्या कहेंगे इस बारे में?
मैं कहूँगी आपका टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा है और आपकी ऑब्जर्वेशन बहुत कीन है। थैंक यू वेरी मच। इट्स अ प्रिविलेज टू बी वेयरिंग ज्वेलरी डिजाइन बाय करण। इट्स एलिगेंट, इट्स लवली, इट्स इजी टू वेयर, इट्स फैबुलस।
निमृत एंड इलियाना, आप दोनों से जानना चाहिए, करण जौहर को शादी करते हुए कब देखना आप लोग चाहते हैं? मतलब क्योंकि ज्वेलरी है, तो ज्वेलरी आप
दोनों ने बहुत मुझे रिक्वेस्ट किया कि मैं इनसे शादी कर लूं, तो मैं दोनों का प्रपोजल्स घर ले जा रहा हूं अपनी माँ के पास, और मेरी माँ डिसाइड करेगी कि निमृत और इलियाना के बीच में कौन बनेगी धर्मा प्रोडक्शंस की बहू। ओके, थैंक यू।